Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of e-commerce? Selling on Amazon offers an incredible opportunity to reach millions of customers globally. With its massive reach and user-friendly platform, Amazon has become a go-to destination for online shoppers. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an established business looking to expand your reach, Amazon provides a powerful platform to showcase and sell your products to a vast audience. It's time to unlock your entrepreneurial spirit and embark on your Amazon selling journey. In this beginner's guide, we'll walk you through the essential steps to get started and set you up for success in the dynamic world of Amazon. Get ready to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. Amazon's staggering statistics speak for themselves. With over 2.5 million active sellers worldwide, the marketplace is a bustling hub of commerce. In 2023 alone, Amazon generated over $514 billion in revenue, showcasing the platform's immense earning potential. These figures highlight the vast opportunity that awaits sellers on Amazon. By tapping into this global marketplace, you gain access to a massive customer base actively seeking products like yours. Let's dive into the steps to become a part of this thriving ecosystem. Your Amazon seller account is your gateway to the marketplace. Creating an account is straightforward and user-friendly. You'll need to choose between an individual or professional account. Individual accounts are suitable for casual sellers, while professional accounts offer advanced features for businesses. Once you've chosen your account type, you'll provide basic business information, including your name, address, and tax details. After verifying your information, you'll gain access to your Seller Central dashboard, your command center for managing your Amazon business. Section 4. Navigating the Amazon Marketplace. From product selection to listing optimization. Now let's explore the exciting part. Choosing what to sell. Product selection is crucial for your success on Amazon. Thoroughly research different product categories, analyze market trends, and identify products with high demand and low competition. Once you've chosen your products, it's time to create compelling listings. Craft detailed product descriptions, capture high-quality images, and set competitive prices. Optimizing your listings with relevant keywords will ensure your products appear in relevant customer searches. Section 5. Launching your Amazon business tips and strategies for success. Congratulations on setting up your Amazon store. To thrive in this competitive landscape, consider these beginner-friendly tips. Provide excellent customer service, respond promptly to inquiries, and address any issues efficiently. Positive customer reviews and ratings are crucial for building trust and credibility. Leverage Amazon's fulfillment services like FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon. With FBA, Amazon handles storage, packaging, shipping, and customer service, streamlining your operations. Continuously analyze your sales data, track your performance metrics, and adapt your strategies to stay ahead in the ever-evolving Amazon marketplace.